Somalia is still ranked the world's most corrupt country according to the just released 2019 Corruption Perceptions Index (CPI). South Sudan, Equatorial Guinea are the other African countries in the bottom list of the corruption index. The ranking measures perceive public sector corruption using a scale on which 100 is seen as very clean and 0 is very corrupt. More than two-thirds of the countries around the world scored below 50, and the average score was only 43. This year's results reveal that a majority of the 180 countries analyzed are showing little to no improvement in tackling corruption. Somalia's government has in the past dismissed similar poor rankings in the CPI, terming them as unreliable and falsehood, with the country's finance minister Abdirahim Duwal Biyele previously threatening to sue Transparency International. New Zealand was named the most corrupt free country, followed by Denmark and Finland respectively.